There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, you guys? You already know it's a Luvme wig today. They got the nicest packaging, girl, in the upgraded. Now y'all see this little C-part curved part in this lace wig. But girl, it's salt and pepper steppers today. This is the salt and pepper stepper collection. Comes with an elastic band, adjustable straps, and some comb, girls. Okay, look. Now while I go ahead and fight with this wig, because you see I'm fighting, I'm going to just show y'all real quick how y'all wig will come from Luvme hair, okay? So y'all seen that these salt and pepper steppers are coming through, okay? Got the little curved part on the side. So that way y'all ain't really gotta do too much. I'm already bleached, but girl, I gotta pluck a little bit of hairs. Cause I don't know about you, but my old ass don't have like a thick hairline like that no more. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. Cause girl, you know, even though we wearing the salt and pepper steppers, you still gotta cut the lace off. Now let me just tell y'all, it came curled to perfection. This is one of those wigs where you can definitely put it on and go. Now, if you're in the salt and pepper category, baby, holla if you hear me. Leave your comment in the comments below. But girl, listen, when I tell you that this is one of those wigs that you can just put it on and go. You might have to tweak it a little bit, but I'm pretty sure you seasoned salt and pepper steppers could definitely do the damn thing. Now, I love the fact that this is a curved part and it's bleached, baby, in that part. So you ain't really got much to do. Now, like I said, this came already styled for you, girl. But when I tell you this is layered, baby, if you like layers like me, my 50-year-old ass, and you like layers. Now, look, I didn't really do this wig justice. When I tell y'all it gets better than this, baby, bitch, it get better than this, okay? When I tell y'all that it get better than this, it get better than this. And you know, you how to put a good concealer. What I did notice about this, though, salt and pepper steppers, that you cannot use like a red tone foundation or concealer. It gotta be like one of those cool tones. Because the red tones, girl, no, that will definitely show. So I had to go back in and do a cool tone. Now, I know I look cute in this salt and pepper stepper because, you know, I got like 6 grandkids. But girl, when I tell y'all that I had to do this perfection, I had to do this to perfection. Now, what I mean by that is I did have to come back and redo the ending part. Y'all will see. I had to put on some cool color foundation stick, not the warm tones, because baby, those red tones will make you look real noticeable. When I say noticeable, baby, everybody in the neighborhood will know that you got on a wig and you trying to use concealer to conceal that shit. So you got to use the cool tones when it comes to salt and pepper steppers. Now, this wig is perfection. When I tell you they have spiced this up, Now, I love the fact that it's a curved part, so you ain't really got to do too much. It already comes perfected for you. Nice little square box. When I say that box is square, baby, that shit is square, okay? When I tell you could regift in that box, girl, just regift in that box. They gonna think you love them. When they say love me, they gonna think you love them. But either way, when I tell you Luvme did the damn thing in this wig, for all you salt and pepper seasoned Divas, they did the damn thing in this wig. Now, I wasn't really thinking I was going to like this one too much, but I will say this. I'm going to say this, girl. I'm going to just say this. This is one of the most nicest salt and pepper stepper wigs that I have reviewed. Now, I don't know if they think because I'm old. I'm not really even old. I'm 50, and baby, 50 ain't never looked so good. I might need to lose a little bit of weight, but I'm still cute in the face. Face card always cute. Now, listen, let me tell y'all something. Y'all might want to look in that bio, that descriptiones, and check out the links. If you got a salt and pepper stepper in your household, in your family, get them this wig. Because when I tell you they're going to be happy, girl, they're going to be happy. When I tell you they're going to step it out on you, baby, they're going to bring back all the old dances when they put this wig on. I'm telling you, you ain't got to ask me. But look at them salt and pepper steppers on the wig site. This is the revamped look. Check out Luvme Hair. You will not be disappointed. Make sure you check out the description. I will link everything down below. I love y'all. Y'all already know. My salt and pepper stepper ass, we got to go. But on that note, I love y'all. Look at that. Look at that. This is the cool tone of the concealer on that side part. Girl, salt and pepper never look so good. I love y'all. Bye.
Go, go, go.